call history on Messenger. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Messenger application. Now, tap on the three dot line and then go to settings. Here you will be able to find call history as well. If you cannot find it here, you will find it in the home page, and instead of this highlight section you will also get a call history if you have made any call. So now in order to delete the call history, all you have to do is tap and hold the call or the call history, and then you will also see an option of delete. Simply tap on it and your call history will be deleted. But if you want to delete the call history of an individual person, you will have to delete the chat of them completely, and messages as well as the call history will be deleted. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.